Welcome to Cloud Expert Audiobooks. In this session, we'll be talking about microservices architecture. Let's understand what is microservices architecture. A microservices architecture consists of services that are small, independent, and loosely coupled. Each service can be deployed and scaled independently. A microservice is small enough that a single small team of developers can write and maintain it. Because services can be deployed independently, a team can update an existing service without rebuilding and redeploying the entire application. Each service is typically responsible for its own data. Its data structure is isolated, so upgrades or changes to the schema aren't dependent on other services. Requests for data types are handled through APIs and provide a well-defined and consistent access model. Internal implementation details are hidden from service consumers. Microservice architectures are technology agnostic, but you often see containers or serverless technologies used for their implementation. Continuous deployment and continuous integration (CCD) is frequently used to increase the speed and quality of development activities. There are many benefits to a microservices architecture, but it's not a fix-all. Microservices architecture has its own set of challenges. Complexity, development and testing, lack of governance, network congestion and latency, data integrity, management, versioning, skill set. When should you choose a microservices architecture? Based on this background information, what situations are a microservices architecture best suited for? Large applications that require a high release velocity. Complex applications that need to be highly scalable. Applications with rich domains or many subdomains. An organization that consists of small development teams. Great! Now you learned about microservices architecture. Hope you enjoyed it. For more audiobooks, please download our Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store and subscribe. Hey! Don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.